Hi, I'm Mark Rackley. And guess what? In-person events are back, and we are thrilled at the North American Collaboration Summit. I would like you to join us October 12th through 14th in Branson, Missouri to experience one of the best community events in the world. I guess I should say. I'm a little bit biased, but I'm going to say it's the best event in the world. It's a 3-day event. We've got workshops and sessions and the networking with some of the most awesome people in the world. What's more, this year, North American Collaboration Summit is taking place at the exact same time as Microsoft Ignite. What does this mean for you? It means that instead of sitting at home and streaming those Ignite sessions on your computer or at work, you can come join us in Branson, and we're going to be streaming Microsoft Ignite content in Branson alongside all of our North American Collaboration Summit content. This gives you the opportunity to ask questions of the experts, digest what you've heard, and understand how it affects your business. Also, we're going to have a special 90-minute keynote with Microsoft's Mark Cashman and other members of the product group that are going to be there in Branson with us to talk about the major announcements of Ignite and what they mean to you. So this is your chance to interact and learn from some of the top speakers in the world, the same speakers you see at the major events, but for like 10 times less. So it's going to be a good time, great networking. October 12th through 14th, Branson, Missouri. I hope to see you there. That's at www.collabsummit.org.